In 2008, a monument to the victims of political repression was unveiled at the Battle of Stalingrad Panorama Museum. Initially, a place was set aside for its installation in the park area of the embankment on the south side of the museum complex, opposite House No. 47 on Chuikova Street. In the spring of 1994, a foundation stone was even installed on this site. But as a result, the monument was erected on the opposite side of the Panoramic Museum, at the intersection of Chuikov and Naumov streets. Despite the fact that the decision to create a monument to the victims of political repression was made back in the early 90s, the competition for its project was announced only in May 2007. This competition was won by the project of the people's artist of Russia Viktor Georgievich Fetisov entitled, Go into the Sky. It was according to this project that the monument was created, unveiled on December 24, 2008. According to the author, his monument symbolizes the path that the victims of political repression had to go through. It is a composition of 3 granite blocks, horizontal and 2 vertical. One of the vertical blocks depicts a line of people leaving into the distance, the second, a small group of returnees. As conceived by the author, such a composition reflects in symbolic proportion the number of repressed and those who returned from the camps. The horizontal part of the monument bears the inscription, Victims of Political Repression. The dates, 1917-1956, are inscribed on the back of the monument. Unfortunately, a part of the black stone tiles, which are used for the monument's pedestal, collapsed and has not been restored for a long time.